Here's a video on a Samtron VCR. So when it came in, it was playing just fine. However, it wouldn't make a nice picture. It was very distorted, had a really lousy quality picture. So after taking it apart, there's just 2 screws on the back. Cover comes off. This was completely dirty, full of bugs and dust and dirt and all sorts of stuff was in there. So after cleaning all that out, it didn't really do anything with the picture quality, but I cleaned the drum head and it basically just cleaned all of the places the tape runs across of the VCR. But what was the real problem was this little pin here had broken off. This little assembly was not securely in place. So being that it was hard to get a new one of that exact model, I just put another screw in here on the side to hold it in place in a washer. Technically not supposed to be a screw in here, but it doesn't hurt anything because it's out of the way. And then just to be on the safe side, I put a little E6000 on there just to make sure it wasn't going to go anywhere. And it works great. The picture quality is excellent. Everything is working just as intended.